Welcome all. Today's topic is basics of fire pump and NFPA 20. Under this topic, we are going to see introduction to fire pumps and NFPA 20, introduction to NFPA 20, and types of fire pumps. Basically, what is a fire pump and where it is being used? So fire pumps are essential part of multiple fire protection, water-based fire protection system. It used to increase the pressure of fire water. The fire pump activates when the system pressure drops and ensuring a reliable water supply to the fire protection system. Example, sprinkler system, standpipe and hydrant when the system is in demand. Introduction to NFPA 20. NFPA 20 is a standard for installation of stationary pump for fire protection. Scope of the standard. The standard deals with the selection and installation of fire pumps, selection of pumps supplying liquid for private fire protection. The scope of this document shall include a liquid supply, example, section, discharge, and auxiliary equipment, and power supply, including power supply arrangements, electrical drive and control, diesel drive and control, steam turbine drive and control, and acceptance test and operation. The standard does not cover liquid supply capacity and pressure requirement. We'll have to do the design and hydraulic calculation to know to know these things. Example, design for supply capacity, hydraulic calculation for the pressure requirements. And also the standard does not cover any periodic inspection, testing, and maintenance. We will have to refer NFPA 20 ITM for water-based fire protection system to know the periodic inspection testing related to the fire pump. Also, the standard does not cover any installation requirement for wiring of fire pump units. We will have to refer NEC 70 Article 695 for the installation of wiring of fire pump units. And the purpose of this standard is to provide a reasonable degree of protection for life and property from fire to the installation requirement for stationary pumps for fire protection based upon a sound engineering principle, test data, and field experience. Application. The standard shall apply to centrifugal, single-stage, and multi-stage pumps of the horizontal and vertical shaft design and positive displacement pump of horizontal and vertical shaft design. Moving to the types of fire pumps. There are two major types of fire pump, two main categories, naming positive displacement and centrifugal type. Positive displacement pumps are characteristic by a method of producing a flow by capturing a specific volume of water per pump revolution and pushing it through the discharge line. Example of our bicycle tire pump. When we fill the air, when we inflate the tire, we are using this tire pump. So when we lift the piston, the air will fill up in the cylinder. When we push the cylinder down, so this the amount of air it's going through the tube and it will be filled in the tube. It will be filled in the tire. The same principle. Maybe you may experience during let's say during this bicycle tire inflation, or when you fill the foam in the bladder tank, you may use the same type of positive displacement pumps. Moving to the major portion of the fire pump, centrifugal pumps. Centrifugal pumps are the most widely used fire pump in the industry, fire protection industry. Most common fire pump and used with the most system. With the centrifugal pump, the pressure is developed by principally by action of centrifugal force, the spinning force. Water in the centrifugal pumps enter the suction inlet and passes to the center of the impeller. Then rotation of the impeller in turn drives the water by centrifugal force to the rim water to the rim where it discharges. Centrifugal pump can be used where there is a large demand of volume and where there is a need for high pressure boost. And there are several types of centrifugal pump: horizontal split case, end section, inline, vertical turbine, and multi-stage multi-port fire pumps. We are going to see each one of them. Horizontal split case pump. Horizontal split case pump. It is, as I said before, it's one of the type of centrifugal pump with the casing split into two halves for easy maintenance purposes and easy handling. It has a feature of single and double impeller that draws the water from one side and generating a high pressure for the fire protection system. These pumps are it's very reliable and ability to deliver a steady water supply in emergency. The only drawback of this pump is the space consumed. It will take more space compared to the other types of centrifugal pumps. Moving to the the other type of centrifugal pump, which is end section pump. It is a compact, easy to install, commonly used for fire protection system where uh, the budget is constrained and the project is moderately middle range project, and also the moderate flow and pressure application is required. And compared to the horizontal split case, this is more compact and less installation space in the fire pump room. And also the capacity, it can go up to 1500 GPM. And this end section pump can be used with either electrical drive or a diesel engine drive. Inline pumps. It is designed for space-saving installation in a fire protection system, typically in a building with a limited room for larger pumps. This can be driven by both vertical and horizontal space, and most commonly we can see that the driver is located directly above the pump. These are typically one of the less expensive units and take the least amount of space, but also on the other hand, it is expensive to repair because when there is a need to see a pump, we will have to open the motor to see the pump. So it is high cost of maintenance and repair. Unlike the split case, the split case is one of the easiest and easy to access for the maintenance. And this inline pump is limited to 1500 GPM, and also it can be used only with the electrical drive, which limits the potential of application. Moving to the vertical turbine pump, it is a multi-stage pump designed to draw water from deep source like underground water tank or wells. It features a vertical shaft with impellers submerged into the water, delivering high pressure for fire protection system. These pumps are ideal for application where the positive suction head is unavailable. And also, this is the only type of pump allowed by NFPA 20 that can start with the negative suction pressure. And this pump can be used with a raw water source such as ponds, lakes, and rivers. And it is also coming with a wide range of capacity and pressure. They can be used with the diesel and electrical drivers. The last one is a multi-stage multi-port pump. Uses a single driver that can be either electrical motor or a diesel engine that connects to the pump with the multiple impellers in a series in a single casing. In a series in a single casing driven by a horizontal shaft. The casing has a multiple ports and discharge outlets, delivering different pressure as different pressure. Each port has increased pressure from consecutive series of impeller. These pumps are commonly used in industrial and fire protection system. It allows the flexibility in delivering water at a different pressure of various application. So this is it for today. I just recap it. We have seen the basic of fire pump, where it is used, and how well, the purpose of the fire pump provision in the fire protection industry. It's just to increase the pressure of fire water system, and there is a system in demand. And NFPA 20, the scope of NFPA, we have seen the scope of NFPA 20 and its limitation where it can be applied. And also we have seen the types of fire pump. There are two major category of fire pump. One is positive displacement fire pump. The other one is centrifugal type. In centrifugal type, there are various types we have seen: horizontal split case, end section, vertical turbine, inline, and also the last one, multi-stage multi-port pumps. I believe you enjoy the session. If you have any question, please comment in the comment box. I will try to answer all of your questions. Thank you so much. Thanks for your time.